1969 Oldsmobile Delta 88 update. Getting her taped off, ready for paint and primer. Still got to do a little metal work, but I figured it doesn't hurt to tape everything off. The color of the paint is pretty much what color the car is going to be. And it does have a 455 rocket, so it will be getting a 4-barrel intake and a Holley double pumper. Yes, my plates are on the car now. Still need some more blue tape, but I'm going to get some primer after I smoothen a couple of bumps out here and there. And we're going to get her going. Maybe we'll use those rims